Hello, I am Fernanda's digital twin and will walk you through the key innovations for asset management in the SAP Cloud ERP 2602 release. In the next few minutes, we'll look at the brand new Asset Overview app, the new Permit to Work process, and powerful enhancements to the Manage Maintenance Notification app. Let's get started. We start with the new Asset Overview app. We know that finding all the information for a single asset can mean navigating multiple screens. This new Fiori app solves that by providing a single, unified view of your entire enterprise asset structure. You can see the complete hierarchy of functional locations and the equipment installed within them in one traversable tree. Using the flexible column layout, you can select an asset and instantly see its details like master data, warranty status, and open maintenance orders, all without leaving the screen. But it's not just for viewing. You can take immediate action. Need to create a maintenance notification? You can do it without leaving the app, either with a quick create form or by simply asking our AI copilot Joule using natural language. It's all about providing asset-centric data and actions in one place. Next, let's talk about safety and compliance. With the 2602 release, we're introducing the highly anticipated Permit to Work functionality. This provides a standardized formal authorization process for high-risk maintenance activities, ensuring work is performed safely and in line with regulations. It's designed to foster close collaboration between your maintenance, operations, and safety teams. You can use the Manage Work Permit template app to create reusable templates for common high-risk jobs. This process ensures that minimum safety and data standards are consistently met. Then in the Manage Work Permit app, you can start a new work permit using the template you have created. This is the primary application for creating, processing, and managing the life cycle of individual work permits. A permit is then initiated for a maintenance order, issued to a technician, and then returned and formally closed once the work is safely completed and the site is verified. Last but not least, we've made some powerful enhancements to the Manage Maintenance Notification app to help you work smarter and more proactively. The app now uses situation handling to push real-time alerts to your team. For example, you'll get an instant notification when a maintenance threshold is breached from a sensor reading, so you can respond immediately instead of waiting for a failure. And speaking of measurements, when a notification is triggered by a reading, you'll now see a visual chart right in the header. This gives you a clear, at-a-glance view of the measurement trends, allowing for faster analysis. Another update is the advanced filtering. The list report now includes asset location and sort field as filter criteria. This allows users to more effectively narrow down the list of notifications to the specific assets or areas for which they are responsible. And just like in the Asset Overview app, you can also leverage Joule here to create maintenance notifications using conversational AI. Providing a simple prompt, you can request Joule to create a new maintenance notification without leaving the app. So to recap, the SAP Cloud ERP 2602 release for asset management delivers a centralized asset hub, a robust process for work safety, and more proactive notification management. For more details, check out the blog post linked below and visit the SAP community to connect with our experts. Thank you for watching.